Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Mayfair Avenue in Salford M6 to show you this new listing. It is a spacious 2-bedroom terrace benefiting from a double driveway at the front, and it's within walking distance from Salford Royal Hospital as well. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway which goes straight on through to a spacious family lounge. You'll notice as we head throughout the property, it has been renovated to a lovely standard throughout and is ready for you to pack your bags and move into. Back through to the hallway on your right, you'll find this lovely modern fitted kitchen with a dining space at the end. This provides access to a huge garden at the rear that benefits from lace lawn grass, decking and artificial grass as well. Currently in use as a bit of a play area at the bottom. Properties in this area are popular not just because of their close vicinity to Salford Royal Hospital, but their easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. As we head upstairs, on your first left, we've got the WC. Then we've got a lovely modern bathroom as well. Through here is the second bedroom, which is still a generous double. And finally, we've got the main bedroom, which is a large double bedroom. Benefits from lovely feature panelled walls as well. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.